Alright, so in this video we're going to try to do probably 9 to 11 on this one. See if it fits. So the first one's very easy. 9. It says explain how you know that L and P are perpendicular, right? So this is L and this is P. The reason why we know they're perpendicular is because they give us this information that angle 1 is 90 degrees, which is this one, and that's the giveaway, right? So that's how you're going to explain. Is you're going to say that L and P are perpendicular because it is given that angle 1 is 90 degrees. That's it. So number 10, show that angle 4 is 90 degrees as well, right? So this one's a little bit harder. Yeah, so let me go ahead and explain you. Alright, so I went ahead and cleared the board. So this is what we're gonna, the way we're gonna approach this, okay? It's very important you understand this all these things right here to me. Alright? I try to highlight the top, but so L and M are parallel, right? That's what the first thing they're telling us right here. This is telling us that L and M are parallel, right? That tells us a lot. That gives us a lot of information, right? And then the next thing is tells us that angle 1 is 90 degrees, which is this one right here. This is 90 degrees. That on its own, this right here is telling us already that this line is perpendicular. This yellow line is perpendicular to both L and M. This yellow line is perpendicular to line L and M, right? So that gives us another 90 over here automatically, right? Because it just these 2 points right here is telling us that because that's perpendicular, that means just because angle 1 is 90 degrees, that means that it's perpendicular to L and M automatically, right? So that gives us a lot. So if I ask you, this is not part of the question, but if I ask you, what's angle 3? You're going to tell me, well, that's easy, Raymond. It's 90 degrees. Because that's part of the definition, right? The top, right? So now, if I was to ask you, what's angle 4? Well, remember we said that two sides, if one side is 90, these are supplementary angles, meaning that when you add them up, 3 and 4, they're supposed to give you 180. Well, that means 4 is also perpendicular. 90 degrees, sorry, right? So angle 4 is 90 degrees, and you'll probably be like, well, we didn't do any math, how am I gonna like show that, right? So the way you're gonna show it, let me do it in red. Let me do it in black actually. So the way you're gonna write it in math, you're gonna show that this is 90 degrees, right, instead of the box, and then you're gonna show this is 90 degrees, right? And you're gonna prove, I don't know if your professor is doing like statements where you're saying first statement, given that, right, something like that, given that, sorry, I don't have a stylus, given that L is parallel to M, right, which is given, right, we can conclude, therefore, right, therefore angle 2 and angle 4, sorry, are 90 degrees. Sorry, I should have erased the yellow. Alright, so hopefully that's making sense. Go ahead and erase this real quick. Alright, angle 2 and angle, what is it, 4 is 90 degrees. Alright, we can conclude that automatically, right? Given that L, M, oh wait, I forgot the parallel, right, sorry. Given that L and M are parallel and angle 1 is 90, right, sorry, it doesn't fit, 90 degrees, therefore angle 2 and angle 4 are also 90, right? You can even put angle 3 on there, right? Because, and then you can put even because M is perpendicular to line P, right? Alright, so that's the answer for number 10. make use of structures show that L and N are perpendicular. Alright, so that one I'm gonna have you do on your own, Jimmy. It's the same exact thing that we just went over, right? Wait, no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. So I'm gonna give you a hint, okay? I'm gonna let you do number 11 on your own, but I want you to use. You see the hint that I used right here? That angle 1, which is this one, is 90 degrees. Alright, believe it or not, that's the same thing as this one. What is the right angle? 90 degrees as well. And yours is going to be over here. So with that, you're gonna say that that's 90 degrees, which is perpendicular, which makes both lines N and P perpendicular. And because they're perpendicular, right, and then L and P are also perpendicular, we can conclude that L and N are parallel. Okay, so I know that was, I just threw a whole bunch of information at you and you're probably like, what the hell, Raymond? But I want you to like just try to like get your thinking skills going, and let me know how you do on number 11. All right, so I'll let you do that one on your own. I'm gonna go ahead and create another video for 12 and 13.